I got fish on. What do we have here? What do we have here? Is it a fluky? I see a fluky. The first. Oh, it's a sundial. No way. That's a sundial. Holy smokes, that's a first. I never caught a sundial before. Wow. My goodness gracious. That is awesome. There you go, buddy. Holy smokes. Oh, wow. Look at that catch, guys. Oh. Wow. That is wonderful. Oh my goodness. Other way, buddy. Oh my goodness. You're killing me. Come on. Alright. Let's toss you out. That was so cool. Oh man. Dang. Well, that was quick for the boats to come over. Holy smokes. Well, skunk off. Not what we're looking for, but that's okay. Oh, boaterman, why do you do this? You got the whole ocean. Why? You see one guy catch fish from shore, and you come up on him. Don't get it.